After I got recovered from sickness and started eating full big boy meals again, we set out on a scooter we rented with seeing some beaches and the Matrimandir in mind, but also to save the higher than usual rickshaw charges that we found in this area. At only 400 rupees a day, it's a great deal as always. The first beach we rolled up on was this one, Orville Beach. We then left and went to this one. We ended up missing the west coast a little bit.
Boy, we must have had it good on the Arabian coast, because this beach is called University Beach. The last beach we just quickly showed you was Orville Beach. Both of them not as much as Orville Beach, but this one is also covered in plastic litter and doesn't look too inviting. Lots of fishing nets and stuff around. And then lots of empty liquor bottles and other refuse. So we're going to try going back up to a beach that's a blue flag beach. Yeah, some of this is a little yikesy. But let's keep going. Let's go and see if there is a nice beach to be found. Let's do it.
Ow! You gotta turn around.
What? Oh, right. Oh, point the other way, you mean?
Yeah.
Got it.
Just gonna roll out on my hog and make this lady chase me so she can stab me.
Well, we have an escort down to the beach. This cool guy is showing us the way. Here's your blue flag beach in the area. We're gonna head back onto the moped, and this for us, this won't.
Don't step into that wet sand.
For us, this won't.
It's not water.
This won't work. But we're good. We're gonna head back. Tell me in the comments if you know of a beach anywhere near Orville or the village.
Next, we are off to the visitor center in Orville to take in some of the history and learn more about the way this community founded by Indian philosopher Sri Aurobindo and successful conceptual artist turned spiritual collaborator known as the Mother continues to endure. The Mother visualized and designed the Matrimandir, a large draw for tourists and followers, as the intended center of human unity and the focal point of this multinational, spiritually focused community.
We've come to the Orville Visitor Center. What is it, you might ask? Well, it's a center where visitors come in Orville, and you can look upon the Matrimandir dome from a distance and see what that's all about. Plus, you can buy some curated goods they've selected for you at a market.
We're here for gelato. We're here for gelato.
We are here for gelato. Now we're coming to see the Orville Visitor Center. What was that, Natalia?
Yeah.
Alligators or dolphins here?
Yeah,
Are there alligators or dolphins?
that's what I was asking.
we'll find out. I'm sure the Orville Visitor Center will have some information about that.
Do they like gelato?
Sorry?
Do dolphins like gelato?
Do dolphins like gelato? I'm sure if it's fish flavored.
With clam flavor.
Yeah, I would imagine they would. Dolphins don't eat clams, though. I learned that in our Go Karna video.
That's true.
Or Goa, or whatever it was. Wherever you went full dolphin mode. Wherever you went full mode and just...
Clam.
Clam. Oh, but those are empty. Your hands are just clammy. There's no... That's the only... I don't see food there in your hands at all. Anyway, let's take these mussels into Orville Visitor Center. Do you want to go to the shops and the restaurant, or do you want to go to the Matrimandir viewing point?
Let's go to the viewpoint.
It's a silent space. Starting now. In this room, they're presenting the various history and charter tenets of Orville, talking about the spiritual intentions of Orville as an intentional community as they slowly lead you toward the Matrimandir, which literally means Mother's Temple. Matrimandir. It's a scale model of what it's like inside the Matrimandir. Looks like they have a bobsled track. You see they have a bobsled track? A heliostat placed on top of the Matrimandir reflects a ray of sunlight down into the chamber to touch the crystal at the center. This ray travels straight down through the different levels of the structure to touch the lotus pond below, completing the link between spirit and matter. Wow. And this is a sort of overview of what it looks like. Got my golden, and by golden I mean blue, ticket to look at the Matrimandir. I thought they were going to charge me to look at it. Well, isn't that nice? They're not. You do still have to have a pass though, or you'll be immediately executed by a government sniper, but I'm safe from that now because I'm holding it, and the bullets can't hit you.
Because it belongs to humanity, but it's free.
But it is free. Here we have to hold it both at once so that we are not shot. So now we are off. We are going to show you a dome, and for once it isn't this one right here. All right. Oh my God. Excuse me. Do you have a pass? Can we see your pass, please? Where that Matrimandir at? That's what I want to know. I'm sorry. Oh, is this? Oh, right. Is it the silence extend to out here?
Yes.
Oh, jeez. I just hear a big bus.
Contemplate silence.
Mm. Do you know where the dome is? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. Is this the dome? Dome, a deerm, a female deerm.
We're here.
Where's the dome? Outside of this incredibly spiritual and historic center, you can get clay Buddhas and stuff, and you can go to a wildlife gallery and an art gallery and buy some healthy drinks and walk through pavilions and see a giant clamshell and buy some kombucha. And we're told it's only another kilometer away. I can't believe the pass was free for such a beautiful walk. It's that way still. Matrimandir. Ever closer. So keep in mind, this is just a walk you go to look at the Matrimandir from a distance. We've arrived at the Matrimandir viewing point. But I get to go in there in a couple of days. I'm so close now. This is incredible.
That's really cool.
That's old. Beautiful. So far the Matrimandir is obscured behind trees. So far the deer neck and neck. Who's it gonna be? Natalia and David walking over the bump. Hey, it's not a race. It's just narrated as one. Matrimandir viewpoint. Who will be first to achieve spiritual enlightenment? She's in an orange shirt and raring to go. He's holding her by the arm, holding her back just as he does in life. Oh, he's pulled her back and he's run ahead now. He's using his last bit of energy. Oh, he's slowed down already. He's slowed down already. Noticing a slight incline. It's a real tortoise and the hare story here, folks. She's trying to get her way to the observation point. Oh, he dekes her out. Oh, beautiful garden being built. Silence.
Silent.
Wow. It smells a bit like weed, and I don't know why. Gaze upon its concentric surface. Anyone else craving Ferrero Rocher? Is that just me? So a lot of people don't know this, but in the center, under the gold, is first a crunchy layer of chocolate and then a hazelnut. A hazelnut. What?
There isn't a hazelnut.
Yeah, look. The Ferrero Rocher. Matrimandir is Hindi for Ferrero Rocher. So we've come to see a golden dome. Dome. Sometimes a girl just needs one. Dome. We're having an to hold. Dome. Take a look at the dome. Dome's made of gold. Get dome. What? Dome. Ah. Dome. The joy is palpable. Look inside the shops, because what spiritual experience of human unity? You gonna get yourself a scarf or something? Sorry? Gelato. Yeah. There we saw some gelato, but we don't know if it's the gelato. But we'll go look in here. This is where we're. Oh, shoes on. Clothing. Okay. Photos not allowed. This is a video, so I'm exempt. And a restaurant. All right. It's a boutique. I'm good. We're good. We don't need to go to the boutique. Here's another boutique. There's a restaurant. All right. We're going to Gelato. Vegan flavors are mango and hibiscus lemon. It's sorbetto. This is the hibiscus lemon. Yeah, it's quite nice. Very icy, crystally and icy. Very nice. And let's try the mango too while we're at it. Mango's excellent. Mango's quite good, nice and dense, and really mango-y. If I talk a long time, Natalia won't be able to eat hers. So basically, what I think about the history of gelato. That last ice cream was Royal Element, and then this one is strawberry flavor. Oh wow. Oh yeah, a better texture than the other ones. Really, really good. Strawberry one, excellent. Really true strawberry flavor. Definitely sweeter than these ones, so if you don't like it sweet, then you're wrong. But the flavors were all excellent. They're all fruit. No one went out of the way to make a creamy flavor or anything, but that's okay. Gelato in India. Strawberry one for me, I think, is the best. Would you agree with that? Strawberry the best flavor overall? Or do you like mango? Mango for you. Strawberry for me, with a mango almost an indistinguishably close second. The strawberry one had the best stretch. After you've been amazed by the beauty of the Matrimandir, you can come and have any one of excellent ice creams, and more specifically sorbetto. Okay? They got you covered. And there's some other vegan things here too. Orville Visitor Center. We booked to go into the Matrimandir on a couple days from now. That's something you can do online. The link to go and visit it is available from 7 a.m. till 12 noon. You can't book it on the same day. You have to book it for each individual person separately. You won't be allowed in if it's raining. It's you got to be quiet when you're in there. You have to keep your shoes on until you reach the Matrimandir, and then you take them off. And there's no cameras or recording of any type, so I can't show you any of it.
But I can tell you generally about it while you see some cows from the next video about food. Why show cows in a video about food when they're not food but rather sentient beings? We'll get to that. The Matrimandir was a rare escape to a solemn and quiet place with the starting point at a lotus-inspired fountain made of smooth, white marble slabs. Redstone masonry led toward a lighter and lighter inner-colored room, decorated and presented with the utmost simplicity but at the height of beauty. Inside, it was very exquisitely designed with a flowing spiral ramp that led to a white internal chamber filled with marble columns that featured a white illuminated orb in the center of a grand room and incredible amounts of silence and serenity. Each small group got a few minutes at each station and even has to wear special socks and follow careful procedures to attend the tour. It's quite surreal and worth seeing.
This has been another episode of Vegan Everywhere. Yeah, sorry, and my name's David.
Thanks, Jen.
Vegan Everywhere.